You've had nothing to eat for 2 straight days. Then a bag of bread just like this lands straight into your lap. Task Force GLM is providing just that, distributing tons of bread each day for Syrian refugees. But what does a ton of flour actually look like? This ton of flour feeds 6,000 refugees at the cost of £300. I'm sure these bags look familiar. We buy these bags to feed our own families at home. £300 at the click of a button will feed an entire village overseas. I've made a commitment to feed 6 million people. We're looking for 1,000 donors to give £300 each. Or if you're able to donate £50 and help towards 1 ton of flour, now you can. Just 60 seconds of your time today can feed over 60 families. You can provide full stomachs, peace of mind, and save their lives today.